following video is not safe for work. What you're about to see is real people using GrooveThing for the first time.
Oh.
This is GrooveThing. It's not quite a speaker. It's way more than a vibrator. Backstage, front row center, or up close and personal. It's an intimate concert inside you. Your body is the venue. What was your experience?
It was fantastic.
I don't think I'm gonna stop laughing for a little bit.
I feel like I'm glowing.
You are definitely glowing.
Oh my goodness.
It's really hard to form words right now.
Give me some initial impressions.
Wow. Just wow.
GrooveThing is fun because it's like an experience.
It's like listening to an album for the first time.
Every song will give you goosebumps.
I could feel parts of the music that I had never even heard before.
Everything combines to create this beautiful fire of pleasure.
This is like a ride. How long can I go?
It's pretty amazing.
Holy moly. Big fan. No notes.
I have wanted something like GrooveThing to exist for so many reasons. I'm Caitlin B, sex and relationship coach and host of Good Sex on HBO. Not only is it an incredibly pleasurable experience that can connect you with your own body or your partner's, it also is a tremendous tool for healing. This is a door to pleasure that is unlike any that has ever existed before. That's because unlike sound-responsive vibrators, GrooveThing actually plays music inside you. Each instrument feels different. Each chord feels different. You can even feel the lowest notes, the ones that are out of reach of all but the best sound systems. And when what you hear and what you feel are in perfect sync, your brain lights up like a disco ball on a dance floor. And when the beat drops, it feels like you're fucking a subwoofer.
Oh my God.
Imagine using all of the pleasurable aspects of music and the pleasurable access points of your body together. It is an incredible experience. It is a one-of-a-kind experience, and I am so glad to be a part of the team that is bringing it to you. GrooveThing. Open your third ear.
That was cool.
Only on Kickstarter.